children, welcome to Gokulam. Let us learn English alphabet and phonics sound. English alphabet. A for apple. A for apple. A sound A. A sound A. B for banana. B for banana. B sound B. B sound B. C for caterpillar. C for caterpillar. C sound K. C sound K. D for duck. D for duck. D sound D. D sound D. E for eggs. E for eggs. E sound E. E sound E. F for fan. F for fan. F sound if. F sound if. G for grapes. G for grapes. G sound G. G sound G. H for hut. H for hut. H sound H. H sound H. I for igloo. I for igloo. I sound I. I sound I. J for jug. J for jug. J sound J. J sound J. K for kite. K for kite. K sound K. K sound K. L for lemon. L for lemon. L sound ill. L sound ill. M for mango. M for mango. M sound M sound N for newspaper. N for newspaper. N sound in. N sound in. O for octopus. O for octopus. O sound A. O sound A. P for pea. P for pea. P sound P. P sound P. Q for queen. Q for queen. Q sound Q. Q sound Q. R for rocket. R for rocket. R sound ir. R sound ir. S for switch. S for switch. S sound is. S sound is. T for telephone. T for telephone. T sound T. T sound T. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U sound A. U sound A. V for van. V for van. V sound U. V sound U. W for whale. W for whale. W sound W. W sound W. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. X sound X. X sound X. Y for yarn. Y for yarn. Y sound ya. Y sound. Yeah. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Z sound. Z sound. Z sound. Z sound. Thank you.